Good morning, 47. Your destination is the coastal town of Sapienza, also known as the Jewel of the Amalfi Coast. Your target is a former client of ours, Silvio Caruso, a brilliant but troubled bioengineer employed by the Ether Biotech Corporation. Renowned for his early stem cell research, Caruso is now reportedly working on a far more disturbing project, a DNA-specific virus able to infect anyone, anywhere in the world. Imagine a bullet, fired in any direction, passing through countless bodies without inflicting harm, invisible and undetectable until it strikes its target. A world of armchair assassins killing with impunity. This is what awaits us, unless Caruso is stopped. Our client, one of Ether's major private stockholders, wants the project cancelled on ethical grounds, but without destroying the company in the process. She has asked us to eliminate Silvio Caruso and destroy the yet unfinished virus prototype. You will also need to deal with Caruso's lab head, Francesca DeSantis, a high-level Ether employee and cutthroat corporate climber who holds intimate knowledge of Caruso's research and could potentially carry on in his place. This is no ordinary contract, 47. Caruso's virus is a serious threat to our craft and trade, not to mention our core ideals. So failure is not an option. I'll leave you to prepare. Welcome to Sapienza, 47. Silvio Caruso's family home is right across the square. The bioengineer suffers from acute travel phobia, so the Ether Corporation has installed a state-of-the-art field laboratory somewhere below ground. Expect security levels to rise as you get closer to the virus. Good luck, 47.
Hey, where are you? Rocco! Rocco! You need to get down here now!
Relax. It's all good.
If I'm happy with you, I'll get the blame. You won't.
Please. You want to wait on that weirdo Caruso for the rest of your life? Come on, you gotta think big. Here,
Oh, how I can love someone that useless. Mystery.
Hey, I found an old box of VHS tapes in the observatory. I didn't know Caruso was so old school.
Oh, those. They're all old family clips from his childhood. You know, camcorder stuff. I don't know, he used to watch them all the time on his old projector.
Oh, well, my cousin does digital conversions in his basement. He'd probably give him a good price.
Yeah, that's not a good idea. Caruso put the tapes away after his mental breakdown. The doctors didn't think it was a good idea for him, you know, seeing his mother's ghost and all.
Oh, right. Well,
Very becoming, 47. Now keep still. Caruso won't be long.
I put 47 spices in the pasta, and it still tastes like ashes in my mouth. I hang my head and cry when I think of spaghetti bolognese that you made for me. That summer night in Napoli, with the Alicats serenading our love. Now I prowl the streets around your house like a beast in the night. You are all that I'm thinking.
I don't remember seeing the projector.
I stand outside your window bleeding. Won't you hear me? Won't you see? Ritorna a me. I'm begging you, come back to me. Ritorna a me. I follow you, I'm watching you. Ritorna a me. Come back to me, or I will find 47 ways to make you mine.
We're all dismissed. Please leave the observatory at once. I have very important
The taste of wine turns bitter on my tongue.
and I cannot.
There were candles burning when we made love.
Leave now.
I see you lighting candles now as your feet the past whose dirty hands on the table.
I need to get this to digital.
I watch red swine trimmed to his field.
15, 20 years.
Get rid of him, or I swear I will. Ritorna a me. I'm begging you, come back to me. Ritorna a me. I'd follow you, I'm watching you. Ritorna a me. I'm circling you, thinking of 47 ways to make you pay.
That little turd. Wimp. Coward. You spineless pushover. Weakling. Believe me, Sylvia. You get stronger. The best is yet to come. That was a good day.
Target down. Next up, Francesca De Santis.
47 spices in the pasta. It still tastes like ashes in my mouth. I hang my head and cry when I think of spaghetti bolognese that you made alone. Let someone night, if you think it's so okay.
You heard that? Go see what it was. I don't like surprises. Got it.
Cartellino giallo per l'amico Rigatoni e la gente non lo...
Look, you know me.
Coming from the caves.
What was it, an explosion or something?
Nah, nothing like that. One of the lab people. What?
I'm hearing ghosts or someone's messing with us. Go check it out.
Roger that.
Like that?
You didn't tell me your cousin was back in town.
Ah, do I detect a certain attraction to the dashing private detective from Milan?
Oh, what of it? He's cute.
Actually, well, I really shouldn't tell you this, but he's here about a case. The client is Francesca DeSantis. You know, the female doctor that's staying at Villa Caruso.
Really? Wonder what she wants with a snoop.
Well, you didn't hear it from me, okay? Where'd you see him anyway?
Couple of streets over, sleeping on a bench.
Yeah. Well, that's Sal for you. Always was a nighthawk.
Not right now, please.
Miss DeSantis, Sal Falcone. Sorry for the delay. I needed to tie up some few loose ends. Yeah, just got into town. Down at the pier? Sure. Straight away? All right, no time like the present. See you in a bit. Huh. Sexy voice.
No, it's funny about our names, isn't it? Yeah. No.
How are you?
Hi there, friend.
Good thinking, 47. DeSantis will arrive shortly. This is one time the dame won't fool the detective.
Ah, Mr. Falcone. Looking slightly out of place.
So, what's this about?
Oh, walk with me. This is all too public for my tastes. This is far enough. Mr. Falcone, what I am about to ask you might be highly unorthodox.
Go on.
About a month ago, Silvio Caruso hired you for an acquisition job. I need to know what exactly it was you acquired and why.
I'm afraid I can't do that. PI, confidentiality.
I am willing to pay you handsomely. You could retire. Hire others to dig through garbage.
Don't think so. I like to get my hands dirty.
If you wanted to claim the moral high ground, you could have done so over the phone. Saved us both a trip. If you change your mind, you know where to find me.
Entering the Ether Lab requires a key card and a uniform. Luckily, it seems both are within reach. Target's down. Now destroy the virus.
Bond looked at the fuse box. He knew he only had 5.
Prototype will be close by. Look for some type of quarantine unit.
Okay, so walking through this?
Right. Well, this is the control panel for the air purification system.
Where are the critical
copy of the hard drive and tried selling it to one of his. We'd all be on the job. Just seriously.
You're all set, 47. Time to kill the competition. There, in the sealed container, the virus prototype.
Need a hand here.
Stop. Shit. Crap.
All readings are stable. Good.
Warning, temperature rising.
Someone else will, but I'll make sure of that. What the hell? Please don't. Oh,
Huh? This doesn't look good. I'll check it out. This is a mess. Hey, you! You got no right being here. You brought this on yourself, mister. You're in trouble!
No! I have a spare.
Chief of Security's in the dark about the incident. A few at the company knew about the virus. Not even the board. Must have been someone at the lab. I understand. I'll get to the bottom of this.
Boss is unhappy. I followed you from Italy. I guess when you're invisible, you stop looking over your shoulder.
You did this.
Iago exposed you. ICA did the heavy lifting. I just pulled some strings.
Yeah, you're mine. How do you expect...
I play dirty. That's how you defeat a stronger opponent. You strike from behind. Now give me the key.
You have a family? Trust me, if there's a weakness, Providence will find it.
I'll take my chances. The key.
Fine. Won't do you much good.
It's funny. Cobb said the same thing. Thank you, messenger.
Don't. I just killed you.
Then we're even.